Right, hey, shout out everyone. Welcome to Save My Channel. For this video guys, gagawa tayo ng donut ng native na banak. Banak guys, traditional bread ng mga taga Ikalawit. Yan. Parang donut lang yan guys. Yan. Okay. Yan. 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 Guys, so, one. Ayan, so gumagawa tayo ng focaccia bread guys. Herb onion focaccia bread. Para bukas po guys. Ayan. Parang donut lang yan guys. Focaccia. Yan, nagra-rice na. Malapit na natin i-oven yan guys. Right?